So student, for production, four production factors are used. First factor is land, second is labor, third is physical capital, and it has also covered physical capital is also covered fixed capital and working capital. And last one is, which is most important, is human capital. Okay, like now I'll explain all all four factors to you. Like land, okay, any production cannot be start in the absence of land. Okay, now so land is a very necessary factor for any production activities. And definitely if you are having land and if you are not having labors, okay, then how you can start your work and how you can begin your work. Okay, so labor is also a most important element of production factors. Then third one is physical capital. Okay, suppose you have land, you have labor, okay, with you, but you are not able to manage fixed capital or working capital. Okay, first I will explain you what is fixed capital. Okay, what is fixed capital? Okay, so student, fixed capital, the capital which is fixed with you for more than 1 year. Like I'll take an example like machinery. Okay, machinery. Okay, agriculture tools, agriculture tools, agriculture tools, etc. Okay, the like in your schools, like we can see fans are there. Okay, tables are there, chairs are there. Okay, they all are fixed capital because they are not regularly changed. Like chalk box, suppose we can take example of chalk box. Chalk box is comes under working capital because one chalk you are not able to use more than 1 year. Okay, beside this we can use tube lights and fans. Okay, electricity switch, everything, even furniture in the schools we can use for more than 1 year. That's why they are called fixed capital. And working capital, okay, which is daily routine, the capital which is used in daily routine work. Okay, which is used in daily routine work. Okay, that is called working capital. Okay, so clear to all of you, distinguish between fixed capital and working capital. If any query is there, okay, you can message me. Okay, you can message me with the help of campus care app. Okay, then last and foremost capital, human capital. Okay, human capital, like by name it is clear to all of you, it is belongs to human beings. Okay, how human capital is very important for us. Okay, so human capital, like in practical environment we have seen so many enterprises. Like I can take example of like Ambani's. Okay, they are entrepreneurs. Okay, they are only they are having the quality, okay, of managing all three these resources. Okay, they are able to manage land as well as they are able to manage labor and physical capital. So those who are having quality of assembling or gathering all such resources, okay, they are contributing in the development of the nation. Okay, so got it. Human capital, like suppose you are studying in the school. Okay, so what do you want to become in the future? You all are want to become a human capital. Like suppose a person become a doctor, he or she also become a human capital. A person become a chartered accountant, he or she also become a human capital. A person become a engineer, he or she also become a human capital because they are able to manage the resources. Okay, because they are able to manage the resources, that's why they all are called human capital. And human capital only build with the help of good education as well as good health. Okay, if person is educated and if person is healthy, then definitely they can become a human capital for the nation. So I hope you all are understand these four topic, four production factors which are used in the production activities. Again, I am going to explain all of them. Land is land is a very major and very important factor, because absence of land we cannot start or we cannot begin any kind of production activities. Okay. Then second one is labor. Labor is also very important factor. Okay, without labor we cannot begin our production activities, because labor are the person or peoples who are managing machines, who are managing things in the workplace. Then one more thing is physical capital, which I already explained to all of you with the help of some example also. Fixed capital, the capital which is not change within 1 year. Okay, that these capitals are called fixed capital. Like I took example, like agricultural tools are there, machineries are there. School example I have taken to explain about a fixed capital, like suppose fans are there, furnitures are there. Okay, they all are not regularly changed. That's why they all are called fixed capital. Working capital, the capital which are daily routine capital, the capital or things which are regularly used or daily routine things, like raw material. Okay, again I am taking new example, like raw material. Okay, regularly it is used. Okay, after every 2-3 days, those who are producers, they are sending orders to others or suppliers. Okay, and they are getting raw materials from them. After that they can start their production. Okay, so working capital, it is routine work, routine things which are necessary for the production. Last factor is human capital, which is very important factor, because absence of human capital, all three resources, okay, all three factors, land, labor and physical capital, nobody can use. Only good human capital can use or can arrange or can manage or can gather these three factors. Okay, and to become a good human capital, a person or he or she become a good educated or healthy peoples, educated and healthy peoples. Okay, only this kind of peoples only can manage all production factor resources. Those who are still not understand this topic, okay, तो मैं एक बार उन लोगों को बता देता हूँ कि कोई भी प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी में 4 फैक्टर्स यूज होते हैं, जिसमें पहला फैक्टर लैंड होता है, दूसरा लेबर होता है, तीसरा फिजिकल कैपिटल होता है. फिजिकल कैपिटल के भी 2 पार्ट हैं, एक फिक्स कैपिटल है और एक वर्किंग कैपिटल है, एंड फोर्थ वन इज़ ह्यूमन कैपिटल. जैसा कि आपको कोई भी काम करना हो, कोई भी प्रोडक्शन करना है, तो बिना ज़मीन के आप काम नहीं कर सकते हो. तो पहला आपका प्रायोरिटी है, पहले हमें अरेंज करना होता है लैंड प्रोडक्शन के लिए. सेकेंड वन इज़ लेबर. अगर लेबर नहीं होगा आपके पास में, तो आप चाहे कोई भी रिसोर्सेज अरेंज कर लो, काम करने वाले आपके पास नहीं होंगे तो आप काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. थर्ड वन इज़ फिजिकल कैपिटल. फिजिकल कैपिटल में कौन सी कैपिटल हैं, इसमें भी 2 कैपिटल इंक्लूड हुई है, फिक्स कैपिटल, वर्किंग कैपिटल. फिक्स कैपिटल जो कि फिक्स होती है, जो कि 1 साल के अंदर चेंज नहीं होती है, कम से कम मोर देन 1 ईयर हम उसे यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे मशीनरीज है, एग्रीकल्चर टूल्स होते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे अपन स्कूल का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, स्कूल के अंदर हमारे पास में फर्नीचर है, स्कूल के अंदर ट्यूबलाइट्स लगी है, स्कूल के अंदर हमारा स्मार्ट बोर्ड लगा हुआ है. ये सब काय में आते हैं, फिक्स कैपिटल में, क्योंकि ये विद इन 1 ईयर चेंज नहीं होते हैं. ऐसे ही वर्किंग कैपिटल आती है. वर्किंग कैपिटल क्या होता है आपका, जब ऐसी कैपिटल जो आप प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी में डेली जिन्हें यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे पानी को ही ले लो, जैसे कैश का फ्लो ही ले लो. ठीक है, जैसे स्कूल के अंदर टीचर्स जो बोर्ड पर लिखते हैं चौक का यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो एक चौक तब एक टीचर अब 2 मिनट यूज़ करता है कंटिन्यूसली, चौक ख़त्म हो जाता है. वो चौक कंटिन्यूसली 1 साल तक उस टीचर के पास नहीं चलता है, इसलिए वो चौक स्कूल में क्या कहला रहा है, वर्किंग कैपिटल. ओके, ऐसे ही प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी में भी बहुत सारे आपके डेली रूटीन वर्क होते हैं, ठीक है, डेली रूटीन वर्क होते हैं जो वर्किंग कैपिटल के अंडर में आते हैं। लास्ट कैपिटल जो है कि प्रोडक्शन फैक्टर में लास्ट जो है ह्यूमन कैपिटल है। ह्यूमन कैपिटल से सिंपल सा मतलब है कि एक पर्सन जब अच्छा सा पढ़ लिख जाएगा, एक पर्सन जब हेल्दी होगा तो वो क्या करेगा, वो कोई अपना बिजनेस शुरू करेगा। जब वो बिजनेस शुरू करेगा या कोई अपना काम शुरू करेगा तो वो ऊपर जो मैंने तीनों चीज़ें बताई, लैंड, लेबर, फिजिकल कैपिटल, वो इन सबको क्या करता है, मैनेज करता है। उसमें वो क्वालिटी सबको मैनेज करने की, जैसे अपन एग्जांपल लें, आज अंबानी इतना बड़ा सेटअप लेके बैठे हैं, ठीक है, रतन टाटा वगैरह ने अपना अच्छा नाम कमाया, अजीम प्रेमजी वगैरह ने नाम कमाया, तो इन्होंने ऐसे ही नहीं कमा लिया। ये लोग घर से निकल के नहीं चले गए कि हमें ये काम करना है। पहले इन्होंने अच्छी एजुकेशन ली, उस एजुकेशन के बाद में उनमें वो क्वालिटी डेवलप हुई जिससे उन्होंने ये तीनों फैक्टर्स को एक दूसरे से मिलाया और इतने बड़े बड़े एम्पायर सेट किए। ओके, सो गॉट इट स्टूडेंट, अब क्लियर है आपको चारों फैक्टर्स?